Hello everyone and welcome back to Kentucky Garden Gal. This is Nancy and what you're seeing is the new propane tank that has been delivered to the farm. The previous one that we had was a 1970 model and you can see it sitting there. It looks pretty rough and it was pretty leaky too, so not safe at all for us. So we decided to go with a company that was a little bit closer to us, and you'll just watch the guys work getting the new tank set in, and then Linnie is gonna walk you around the farm and just give you an update on everything that we've been doing.
Good afternoon, everyone, from Rebel Hollow Springs Farm in East Tennessee. Where are you going, Non? You going to the barn? Okay, so we thought we'd do like a little video recap of all the stuff that has transpired on the farm in the last week and things that we've been able to fix. That is our old propane tank that is sitting... Come on, Suze! Come on, Suze! Come on, Suze! You silly girl. That is sitting in the yard waiting for AmeriGas to come pick it up. We decided to go with another company. Suze! Come on! Oh, she's got to do business. So we decided to go with another company. And so we have the barn. Of course, that has been a huge project on the farm. I did sell a lot of the implements. I just have a few of the things left for decor. Come on, Susie. Come on. Come on, Suze. Just the tobacco seeder and the fertilizer and then a carryall and the hay spears just pending pickup at this point. So the barn was a major project. This week, Carol should be back from Ireland, and she's going to come down on the little home tractor, and she's going to help me move these rocks about the property. And then at that point, we'll be ready, excuse me, for Ashley to come over with the tractor and scrape everything out. So barn was a major, major project. I've whittled myself almost down to one wood pile. Nani? Susie? Suze, where are you? Oh, you're in tow. Good girl. Good dog. Yes. Good dog, Suze. Okay, continuing on. So, we're waiting for our wood to cure. And before we can do any painting on the barn, we've got our 3 buckets for Nancy to fill with pretty flowers when she comes down here. Still got to do the weed whacking in the bank. It's really getting out of control. But it looks like there is like wild purple Monte Cassino and white Monte Cassino in the ditch bank. It's super amazing how come on, guys. Super amazing how the flowers are so plentiful here, like the natural flowers. It just never ceases to amaze me. We had these really unique ones. Nani, come my side. We had these really unique ones come up in the back, and I'll show you those. And next to the house up there, you're looking at a brand new propane tank. Nancy got so frustrated with AmeriGas. Suze, what are you doing? Good girl. Come on. Nani, my side. Hurry up. She got so frustrated with AmeriGas that she decided to go with another company. And they came out and they installed this propane tank, and they were so gracious and so generous with their time that they actually put the new heater in the house for me. So that was really helpful. Nani, cow dog, hey, come on, Suze. Where are you going? Do you want to go up the hill? Okay, so the arboretums, they are thriving. I think since we've planted them, they've probably grown a foot, and some of them maybe almost 2 feet. They're surpassing my posts that I put in. So they're doing really well. Super healthy. Super duper healthy. And let's go up back here and I'll show you those flowers that I was talking about. Come on. Come by. Good girl. Come on, Suze. Come by. Come by. Suze. Nani. Come by. Let's go. Okay. All right. So these are some interesting flowers that have bloomed in the bird sanctuary over the last week. They're pretty unique with beautiful color in them. That was a nice surprise. Kind of deserty right here, I think. All right. Let's get these dogs up this hill. Come on. Susie! Suze! Puppy! Okay, so today I was able to get on the mower. It's pretty cool here today. I don't think maybe 60 degrees. It feels like we might get rain, but who knows if it's in the forecast or not. So today I come up the hill and mowed the family cemetery. Come on, Suze. Come on. Good girl on my side? Yes. See, this hill's a killer for old ladies. Susie. And on the potting shed, I have made some progress this week on the inner walls. And next week, I'm going to start on some parts on the outside that need to be taken care of. There's some boards that need to be replaced. Like right here, this one, it's chewed up. And these end trims right here, for which I have the wood for. I'm going to take these stairs out and use those beautiful rocks in the barn as steps to the outhouse. If you remember correctly, that's the outhouse. But we'll go around here. I'm down to 1 crate to get everything finished. And I've got 2 walls in thus far. 2 complete walls. Suze! What are you doing, puppy? What are you doing? Hi, Suze. Puppy. Come on, Suzu. Come on, Suzu. Puppy. That's a good girl. Yes. Where do you go? Her goes center, huh? Good job. Her goes to the center. Yes, she does. Center. Good girl. Good job, Suze. Come on, Non. Come on, my cow dog. Good job. Good job, guys. So we're going to take this hike up here to the family cemetery. I got all this mowed up this morning. Tried to widen the path just a little bit. A lot of the grass back here was over a foot tall from all the rains that we've had. And I'm scared to death of snakes. So I'm not having any part of that. I like to keep the grass low and mowed so that I can see before they see. Hi, guys. What do you think? Nani, you're such a good old girl with her. So continuing on the walk up to the cemetery here, the family cemetery. Everything's really rich and green and all the trees are in bloom. It's super beautiful. Come on, Suze. Good dog. Come on, Suze. As you can see, she's super happy. She's really bounced back. We're working on crate training and housebreaking with young pups. You guys know that's always a joy. A lot of work, but she's worth it. She just seems to have a phenomenal disposition about her. Very curious, very smart. So here's the family cemetery. Got it all mowed up this morning. Got a couple things that are down, but Dustin said he'd come up and do the finish weed whacking for me. So I'm grateful for that. But everything looks really rich and green from the rains that we had. And from the family cemetery, you can see the little ridge. It does look like we have some thunderclouds coming in. So everything is really just working away. The propane, we thought, Nani, barbed wire, get out of there. Both of you. Good job. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. Let's go. Good job, Susu. Good job, Susie. Come on, on. Good cow dog. Let's go. Good job. So you can see the cows from up here on the ridge. They're doing really well. They've been rotated to the second paddock. We got to keep our grass at about 3 inches. So everything is looking good. The cows are drinking good. They're taking the grass down. The hotline's working efficiently. Everything is wonderful. Come on, girls. Good job, Non. You're a good girl for an old dog. And then as you can see, like the back of the property, it's just rich and green with good grass. Can't wait to see what we figure out to do with this. Oh, my little partner's right here. Good job, Suze. Good job, Suze. Come on my side, let's go. Good job. Go. Follow Nani. Say follow the leader. Go, Susie. Follow the leader. Nani is really taking her under her wing, so I'm super happy about that. Suze, don't eat the walnuts. They're not good for you. Okay, so that's an update.